Factor completely. If a polynomial is prime, state this. The polynomial is 6y squared minus 8y cubed plus 4y to the fourth. Let's write this in descending order, writing 4y to the fourth first, minus 8y cubed plus 6y squared. The first step whenever we factor is to see if we have a common factor. And we can see from these terms that we do have a common factor of 2y squared. So we write that factor, and then we think each term, what 2y squared times what is that term. In this case, we would have another 2y squared, since this times this is 4y to the fourth, minus 4y, since 2y squared times 4y is 8y cubed, plus 3, since 3 times 2y squared is 6y squared. Once we've factored out a common factor, we check what's inside the parentheses to see if there's anything else we can factor. This is a trinomial, but if we tried to factor it, we'd find that we could not factor that any further. This is the complete factorization of the polynomial, and remember, we can always multiply to check.